DD Audio D-Class speaker lineup are purposefully built enthusiast quality sets with everything you need for great sound and nothing you don't, starting with motor assemblies featuring precision machined magnet gaps for high output in a compact design. The DC 6.5 set features lightweight aluminum cones for expanded bandwidth response, while the rest of the series uses lightweight acoustically treated rigid pulp cones for snappy transients and added protection in harsh environments. Handling the high end of the D-Class lineup is our T2 ultralight diaphragm tweeter constructed from proprietary fabric that is only 0.03 of an inch thick. The two-way crossovers included with the D-Class component sets feature low distortion coils and metallized polypropylene caps, allowing the T2 tweeter to effortlessly exude crystal clear highs. For a full rundown on the D-Class speaker lineup, head over to ddaudio.com.